Hey fellas, it's Nathan here and I'm back again with another video. And I know I've been gone for quite a long time. It's been quite a long time since I've uploaded a video, but here I'm back again. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can deploy your HTML projects on a localhost. And I know I'm not talking about the XAMPP localhost. I'm not talking about that or any other localhost tool, but instead I'm going to show you how you can deploy your project on a local host with the help of the Python language. So you don't need to install every time any HTTP or localhost tools. So you don't have to download it. You just need Python in your computer for only the one time, and you can deploy it again and again. So that's what I'm going to teach you. But before I start the video, what I want you to do, I want you to subscribe to the channel if you're new and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification of the videos uploaded in the future. And if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends so that they can learn it too. So now let's just jump right into the video. Here you can see, I'll show you. So this is the project folder, and here I've already created the files, the necessary files, and this is the code. In the Sublime you can open your any text editor. I'm using Sublime. You can use any other text editor like VS Code or anything. I'm just using Sublime for it. Now let's just open the file over from here. If you can open it from here, you can see this is I've already created this form. It's Nathan login form, you can say. And here I'm on the home page over here. But first let's just talk about why you need the local host. So it's basically is that if you have like another pages or folder in your code, but if the the HTML file is not connected properly, the code is missing or something, and if there is nothing in that, and if you just click on this about that HTML page, nothing is gonna open. It says your file couldn't be accessed, but you can see your whole PC address, your whole computer directory's address is shown over here, which is very harmful, which is not a good thing to do. So that's why we need a local host. So that's why we're gonna do it, so with the help of Python actually. So let's just go to the folder page where our HTML files are, HTML and other necessary files are, CSS and JS files are. This is the folder, and over here what you gotta do is you have to click shift and then right click over here, and you can see the open PowerShell window here, and open it. And over here what you gotta do is type Python -m and http server and --bind, and bind equals to localhost. That's it. That's what you have to do. It says serving HTTP on the port. This is the port for it, but the port 8000. What you gotta do is you have to just go over here, and what you gotta do is you have to type localhost 8000. This is the address, and now just click enter, and here you are over here. And now if I go to the about section, about page from the top nav bar, you can click it. It says error response because there is nothing in there, but over here you can see it doesn't show your folder directory, which is not a good thing. And here you can see it says localhost 8000, the server name. So that is what we want, because in the website, if we have a domain, a website, a hosting website, like it's nathan.com, and if I don't have a about page, it will say it's nathan/about, but if nothing in there, it will say it like that, which is a good thing, instead of your whole PC address, which is not a good thing. So that's why we need the localhost. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that in the future you can get the latest notification of the videos uploaded on this channel. And that's how you can upload your website or deploy your website, HTML website or HTML projects on the localhost with the help of the Python. You don't need to download any XAMPP other things. I will say you can download it, but if you have Python, you can do it this, you can do this as well. So that's how you do it. So that was it. I'll meet you guys in the next video. See you fellas.